Hi guys, we're 10 days to go for the clinic opening and I'm so excited and so nervous and so overworked. And today I'm going to show you a sneak peek into what my day looks like with 10 days to go for the clinic opening. It's been crazy. First I'm going to get ready. I'll drop my son off to school and then we'll go visit the site where maybe you can take a little bit of a look at how things are shaping up. Okay. I'm now heading out to work and we're going to go straight to the site, but not without my sunscreen. So I'm quite excited and I'm quite happy with the way the work is progressing in the clinic. It's being designed by a very close friend of mine from school, Suyash, and his wife Bhakti, both of whom are amazing architects and they're doing such a good job. And I have literally completely left it to them. You know, I'm not getting into it. I'm like, you figure whatever you think will look good. I've just told them what I need in terms of my specifications. I'm only getting into things like, you know, the final furniture ordering, the decor and stuff like that, the lights. That's the part I'm interested in. But even that, they're really helping me massively with it. But you know, honestly, I'm least stressed out about the renovation. What's the bigger challenge is hiring people. We're conducting so many interviews and it's been such a challenge finding the right people and hiring the right people. But we're on it, and then trainings have begun. We're sitting and training everyone. So I'm a little anal about wanting absolute perfection by the time the clinic starts. So I want your experience as patients to be the exact same whether you come to the Naupada branch or the Hiranandani branch. So that's very important. So I'm sort of making sure that, you know, the therapists who will be there and the therapists who will be here, the doctors there, the doctors here, everyone needs to be doing the same thing in the same manner. That's very important. Now we're at the site of the new clinic. I'm not telling you anything. I'm not going to show you too much. That's for a separate video. I'm going to vlog everything. Really do not want to show you too much. I don't want to disclose too much. But it's all turning out really well. I'm so excited. Cannot wait. This has been going on for more than a month now. And it's finally shaping up. ये वाला कोई texture print आएगा? Shoot day today. We are tired, but we're pushing through. We've managed to make 2 days this entire month to shoot content, which is kind of hard to compress into 2 days because there's a lot of stuff that we really want to shoot and we want to cover. Let's see. I hope we manage to do some justice to this today. Say hi. This is Mayuresh. He's the man behind the lens. And this is our setup with our big huge umbrellas. Wish us luck. So we've just finished up our shoot and I have come home to get some things done and I'm so tired. Woke up in the morning, did some housework because this month of September is like this, right? That's the problem with having your clinic opening in October because in September is Ganesh Chaturthi and in Maharashtra everybody goes on ridiculous amounts of leave during Ganpati. Anyway, so here we are. I'm going to go pick up my son from school now. He's had a 10-day Ganpati holiday, which we never had in school. I don't remember ever having 10 days of holiday. But he has holiday now, which is really hard for parents. Schools, please do not keep your schools shut for so long, please. Anyway, today he's gone back to school, so yay, which is why I managed to get the shoot done. And we only managed half a day of shoot, which wasn't the plan, but that's how life is. Now we're going to go pick him up from school. Come, join me. I think the bus is coming. This is the best part of my day. Bye. Bye. Bye, dear. Bye. Bye. Come on.
When school starts.
Really? always miss it because you're late?
Yeah, I always miss it.
The son has now successfully been dropped off to his father, who is on afternoon babysitting duty. And I am now headed to my OPD. I have a 3-hour slot this afternoon, which is lesser than what I normally do. Normally I manage about a 6 or 7 hour slot at a stretch. Today is a little less because I had to do so many other things today. So we're quickly going to get done with a 3-hour slot, and post that I have to rush and get my son to his football class, which is something I'm very excited about. I am now finally back home. OPD went on longer than expected. I also really wanted to squeeze in at least a half an hour staff training session today. We've been doing sessions every day, longer sessions of course, every day for the last 2 weeks, so that the staff here and the staff there is doing the same thing, which I think is really important from a patient experience point of view. But anyway, I couldn't do that today. There was no time. My regular OPD my appointments were all full. And then there was one patient who came in who needed a lip filler dissolved. She had done a lip filler elsewhere, not with a dermatologist, not with somebody qualified. And these things often go wrong. So yeah, we had to dissolve her filler, which was really unfortunate because people spend a bomb to get these fillers done and then you have to dissolve it. But yeah, that needed to be done. And there was another patient with pemphigus, which is a blistering disorder, and we needed to biopsy. So these kind of things very often throw your schedule off. So it's very hard. I try as best as I can to commit to a certain time for appointments, but it's really hard. You can't predict. There may be patients who take literally 2 minutes, and there may be patients who take 45 minutes. So it's a little hard to predict the schedule sometimes. Anyway, now that that's done, I am back home and I'm switching my brain off, and now we are headed for football practice. I'm finally back home, and I couldn't shoot a lot of the interim that happened after football. We had a big tantrum because we wanted ice cream, then we had bath time, then we had dinner time, and now it's bedtime for the kid. We're going to read Free Range Freddy tonight. And I love this book. I don't think my son likes it as much as I do, but I love this book. It's about this really cool and free-spirited chicken. Anyway, don't feel very free-spirited today. I am so tired, and I have to get a few things done. I am designing our artwork myself. Not all of it. One of it, the architect is doing, Suyash. One of it, my very good friend Siddhi Surte, who's an amazing artist, she's doing. And the rest of it, I plan on doing myself. So I have to figure that out. And I have to send a few emails before I go to sleep. I also have to write a couple of captions. Oh God, as I think about it, I can just think of more things that I need to get done. Need to write a couple of captions before I sleep, but I think I should be able to finish all of that pretty soon. And then I'm going to call it a night. Good night. I hope to see you at the opening on the 6th of October at Hiranandani Estate. Please, please, please be there. I'm so excited.